14 municipalities in Rhode Island have filed a public nuisance lawsuit against opioid distributors and manufacturers.
The suit blames them for fueling the opioid crisis in the state. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us in studio now with more new at 5:30.
Hundreds of cities and towns across the country are suing opiate drug manufacturers and distributors, arguing they knowingly sent deadly prescription drugs into local communities. Now 14 of Rhode Island's cities and towns have joined the lawsuit. Rhode Island, like all states, has grappled with the prescription opiate crisis for years.
Over the last 5 years, Rhode Island has lost more than 1,000 people to the drug overdoses.
Most of Rhode Island mayors, from Warwick to North Providence, joining police chiefs and Lieutenant Governor Dan McKee to announce they will be suing this list of drug manufacturers and distributors, asking for damages to cover the costs of enforcement, treatment, and prevention of the opiate epidemic.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I speak, many here are dying from a product that those drug companies are putting out there each and every day.
This lawsuit is going to send a message that we will no longer sit idly by as these overdoses continue to rise and lose more and more of our constituents, our family, and our friends in our community.
The federal lawsuit's stated purpose: to recoup monies that have been spent because of defendants' false, deceptive, and unfair marketing and/or unlawful diversion of prescription opioids.
We're holding them accountable for poisoning the communities and addicting people and destroying lives that they knew when they sent that pill that they were going to addict people and ruin their lives.
Many of the pharmaceutical companies named in the lawsuit have previously denied any wrongdoing. This is not a class action lawsuit. Each city and town is filing its own claim based on how the opiate epidemic has affected its residents. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.